How was you and the girl then, as a young man come up?
Plenty girlfriend. Plenty. You have to have manners, you have to have respect. You see what I mean? And then there's something now just kind of die out. And the damn dog, as me put my foot up in the house, he crawl out and bite me right from all different kind of things. You see all the outbreak, pink eye come, he catch me. The left side of hip, I did lick out completely. Bicycle lick me down in the road.
That's when you're a boy? Right.
I'm not sleep in a bed till now daylight. So I grow up very tough and hard. So sometimes these things must keep me, you know. I want something in nobody want me, I can't tell you nothing about him. I don't know if he's still in Florida or he's dead or what happened, but he not correspond with me again.
So today, as we continue the journey around Jamaica, we are visiting yet another extremely special Jamaican, 103 years old, Mr. Mackford Williams from Bigwood in the parish. Yes, and today we're there at Hartsfield, and we are going to hold a reasoning with Mr. Williams. The name the Williams is a long-lived name, you know, because a lot of the centenarians that I talk to, them name Williams. So we're going to hold a reason with him and get some insights on his life growing up in Jamaica, starting 103 years ago. Jamaica Uncut road trip with the Williams Field or Hartsfield or I not even know if I saw your name, but me soon find out. We soon forward.
Well, me a go along. Me do what? Me hear last night. It's got everything alright, master. Me went to ask Lord Angel last night. Pops, he said, Pops ain't not about it at all. Pops ain't that they way.
Hold on the door when they reach to it, yeah.
That's all they want to find out. I hold on, carry me right home. Don't hard work.
So, today we are in Hartsfield, also Hartsfield, Westmoreland, and we are here with Dada. Yes, Mr. Williams.
Yes, Uncle Dada.
Uncle Dada. Introduce yourself to the people for me.
Uncle Mackie, Uncle Dada. What the part title master, they give me. Mackford.
Mackford Williams?
Yes.
Alright, what year were you born?
1920.
I make you how old are now?
103. Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday was your birthday?
Yes.
Nice, happy birthday, man.
Yes.
How does it feel to be 103 years old?
Why? I can't mention, but it is great for 7 of us, you know, as children, and I am the 6th one. And I was the most sickliest one out of all 7 of us.
Yeah?
All different kind of things. You see all the outbreak like we gone there the other day with the COVID. Pink eye come, he catch me. Whooping cough, he catch me. Measles come out, he catch me. You know which one never told me? Oh gosh, the one that kind of make some people disabled. Polo. That's the only one never told me, but all the other one affect me. And then the accident problem now. My left side of hip, I did lick out completely. Couldn't stand up and walk for years. Good time. Before me could have been walk on my foot. And the last incident that happened to it, a Cuban doctor put a cut here. If you feel that, so you will feel the old mark. The old mark, the right there. So
what happened to this, sir?
There was a bump come up on my neck side there, so. And he used to make me sick, fever regular or something there. And sometimes he come on for me and sometimes he not come on. Till all of a sudden me never feel it for quite some while. When you hear the shout, out down in the foot I work on lodge now. And I did the effect there. And when we go to doctor, they say you have to go get it cut. So what it is, I don't know up to this day, you know. I don't say me have to cut it, and for me cut it. This left side is no good purpose until this day.
But you still walk on it?
But me still walk on it. But when it did happen first, me did walk and drop. You understand? I only could walk on my right side, but my left side couldn't come up. And that is some good while. In a young days, good while. So me don't remember everything about it, but anyhow, that was my first attack. And then me trouble with other illness and other accident. Bicycle lick me down in a road.
Is that when you're a boy?
Since me an old man, you have to call it. And car bounce me down once. That the people them who witnessed with the car bounce down did say, well, me can alive. But this bicycle man now, me don't know if he's a crazy man or what, but he ride out from one area from one and then a different area from where me was going, you know? And just come right now and there's no way me could have turned. Me I try to shift him so the bicycle down in and me tell me drop. But me was coming at the time, we did go walk, for me walk plenty in the whole of days, you know, morning time. So I come, for me other colleague, they say, no boy, I'm not going to be able to lift it out. And when they come and lift me up, like how you see you lift me out, you could have able to walk off without limping. And whole part of a little minor accident occurred with me.
Right.
Whole heap more, I don't know why. And see me is here still now.
Giving thanks.
Oh, sure.
Your father say you're on top of your grave?
Sure, man.
Yes. So
Sure.
you have to give thanks to wake up.
Oh yes. And the two of them live through a good years, but none never reach 100.
So much brother you have?
Four of us. So all 6 died, leave me alone here. So all the last girl that live off come after me. She died about 5 or 6 years back now.
Right. So where you born?
Dalistan be good.
Oh, me know.
But we put Dalistan as the capital all the while, you know.
Right.
But at Dilian be good, me really born and grow.
And how long do you live right here, so?
And she will tell you.
2008? Oh, so recently? Okay.
That was the year, so that is the year that bring me right here, so I'm still there.
Tell me some things that you remember growing up as a boy in Adalistan.
Why? My father was a hard-working man. And you know your boy, and me was the only grown up and big one in the home as mankind. The other rest of them turned big man also, you know, out by themselves doing other things. So me may have to be ups and down all the time and very occupied. Such things me always love, you know, especially climbing. I always love climb. And me drop off a tree a couple times, you know. And God, I tell you, say, me pass through some things, man, if me shouldn't me remember them. Me that just pass way back and gone. And me still here.
So your father was a farmer?
Farmer. Yeah, so you would call it now. But he is a man work very hard. And he made a couple of acres of food land, as you may call it.
Yeah.
So, it's different from the home part where we live. So we have to go a little distance to go there. So every morning, you see, at 4 o'clock, 3:34, you couldn't come and find me inside the house. Me have to dip on the road to figure bush, goat and hog and come milk cow. So me used to all those things and grew up in them.
Yeah.
So me was very tough in the growing up days. And then we have to come back now and walk 2 miles to school. 2 miles we walk every morning to school. Apart from when me tell you, me do that the journey there, a morning time first, nearly 2 miles to, from the home to where the cultivator and the, yeah, man. So me grew up very tough and hard. So sometimes these things must keep me, you know.
Right.
You know, work rough, man. Sometimes when we come in, for you know them bush place, them the days a bush when dew fall, you know thing a rain fall. Sometimes when me reach home back, me wait like say me better go down in the sea. Wet the water.
Yeah.
All them things they healthy to the body, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man, he no be no trouble, he help it.
Right.
I'm not sleep in a bed till no daylight. All them things that me used to. But even since me come up here ill, in the old days I know, till now, we used to walk early morning time first. You see all the little boy that is here now, a fair son that him is away now. And me love to come here, me, you know. For him like the sooner morning, him ups and down. So we used to walk a morning time round the block here. But we have a go round and come round in the area, you know. So when we was at Great George Street, now we walk on the street down to the seaside up here.
Right.
At this late couple months now, we can't do much again.
Right.
For me not coming out further than that, in the bed there all the day now, so till this moment.
So as a boy, I grew up in a Darliston. What were some of the things that you would have do for fun when you now go grown or you now go to school?
Play cricket, man. Play cricket.
And you did good money?
Yeah, man. And I left on me bowl with a bat pan. So me always overcome me other friend them. But me have very little friend. Me have very little friend for, you know, the first time on them the days, people restrict with them picnic. You know, if they tell you, say you can't go over there, so you just can't go, you know. You have to shy when you're a big girl, big boy. Don't visit over that places, don't go over that place. You have to hear. You understand? So then heap of friend, we have very little. Only a few of us. But me was good at the cricketing, man. And until now, me turn big man now, could have been turn out at night and so on. We could have played guitar and all that things.
Oh, you play guitar?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Then me did have a neighbor to me. Him have been the mayor for the parish before he died in Anglin. So we grew up together as neighbors. So him play banjo, me play guitar.
Did you ever get married?
Me? No, man.
You never get married? How much children you have?
Me have one son, but he no bother about me. Me no know. I can't tell you nothing about him.
Right.
From he just left out. Me, I must about 2 times a year from him, and me did answer back one letter one time, come from him. Was relating to me, you know. How he might try to make life and so on. But he did come from Florida.
Right.
Until this day, until now, and some years now, me don't know if he's still in Florida, or he dead or what happened, but he not correspond with me again. And then, worse than that, the letter did return back to me.
Oh, when you send it?
Yeah, after me send it.
I'm saying I just changed.
Yes. And me have one now when me write. Me have it as a evidence to this one where go to him and turn back. And at the same hurricane where we just call in him here. And it make that the statement where me had go to pieces, you know. So me neither know what happened to that the return letter we have in record put on, neither the one me write. For we did lose everything down at the home there, you know. Yeah, man, where breeze destroy and where mankind take away. At least I been trip the whole house.
Right.
I been take out everything out for them, so I wasn't there, you know. I hope me did come rescue.
What did they do in 51 storm? My father always talk about it.
Great George Street, man.
On George Street.
Yeah.
How did you south at the time?
Boy, you know, very wonderful. Yes, a lot of houses was destroyed, you know. For down south there now, where we was living at. And when you go down there and look at when that storm did pass, it's like when me a truck from this come out here, so just one way, you know. And most of the destruction that it do, our houses and shops and things destroy, you know. Yeah, man.
What was
Yes.
south like in those days?
Oh, but, man. He improve up now, but then the days that you could have been move up and down. You know what I mean? For sometimes some hours at night we find the still forth on the street there. And up and down you can't go anywhere and come in and go. The only thing you have to fear for a dog.
And okay.
So it's a minor man. And all you have to do when you see one lighter come on was one truck or one bicycle. You come out of the way how you was traveling, you know?
Right.
For you know, when you walk on the street and free, you walk anyhow in a middle or sidewalk or anywhere. But now, man, when me hear about down there now, my heart beat.
What do you think are some of the reasons why they wish I would then know with the whole crime and violence and the way the youth them have behave?
Some of it a bad mind affairs there. Some of it a bad mind. Some of we want to live and some not to live. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have one little something in your hand. When somebody say, "Chow, you should not be. You should have your bare hand." And yet I know much something happen in your hand, you know. And it just grow up from that, and then the younger one then come up and grow up with the young bad heart. Just so me interpret, you know, I don't know if it's so, but me feel some most of it cause from it. Bad mind.
But when did old people stop look out for young people and young people stop look out for old people?
It was a blessed time them there. You hear me, I tell you.
What make it change?
Yeah, man.
What make it change? What caused it change?
God, He knows. God, He knows. God, He knows why it changed.
Because in a
But-
few time, no community used to raise picnic.
Sure, they no hit me, I tell you, man, those are the capital things first time. Those, all you hear now come and you say to me, say, you see that chair there? Sit on that chair for 2 hours before, tell me come back. If you get up off of the chair, you know, you have to count that time, know if the hour, the 2 hours are expired or how long it is, or if it pass and gone. So I found those actions, you know, like when me just tell you a while ago. When one parents left one order and give you have to obey. You are go to school and teacher give you one order. You have to live up to it from yard to street to anywhere you dey tell you reach home, you know. And you have to live up to it at all times. You have to have manners, you have to have respect. You see what I mean? And then there's something now just kind of die out. Mother and father, they used to disagree too, but they never saw ravenous as what it is now. No, man. Everybody's spirit just cruel with one another and can't sympathize.
Right.
So by so doing the love get scarce and bitter. You know, nice again. You know, nice again.
Back to your boy days. How was you and the girl them as a young man I come up?
Plenty girlfriend, plenty. Very few men,
Right.
very few men. As you reach that argument, once, you know, you have some people where, up to now, they still go around, so they can experience some things where unknown to mankind. like all your hand me glance so they can look in there and interpret and tell you anything. And I can't forget there was a reader man read me one day. And he read me and as me up in my hands and he looked for me too and he said, Lord God, man, what you going to do with money in this world here? That's what the man has said to me, you know. Me can't know what is the meaning, you know. What you going to do with money? Them, how you going to marry? The two hand me go full of money, man. That are just the little, you know how your hand me go stay with the like letters with them.
Yeah.
And I tell you, me really angle some good money, you know.
Was he a religious man?
Very much and very much godly, very much. For my father was a man that you have to call him passing in a church, left church. And my mother also. And then we grew up again. We have to name church. We can name Tana House. When Sunday day come, we better find ourselves a church.
Right.
Then the church that we used to go, at the same church, I've been the school. Content, I've been the school. Content school. But the church used to keep in there on Sundays. So we have to walk that the distance to go to church.
So the same 2 miles.
2 miles.
Right.
But we grew up in a godly way, man. And we grandmother now, that I'm for my mother. Oh, she have been almost passing. You'd have call her passing the days of today. God-fearing, preaching. When you go with a sister and them, man, you feel good. Even though I was young, you know, you love to go hear her talk and tell you about Bible and how to live and all that. So when you grow up against them, there's something very much.
So you grew up against your grandmother and grandfather?
Yeah, man.
And you remember anything about them?
Okay.
Okay.
What me I tell you, I remember things like those.
Right.
I know your grandmother was a very kind person. Also my father and my mother. Then I give you everything. Then I want you to beg and ask nothing. But they like people with principle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like people with principle. Both grandparents.
Who beat you did Freda more, your mother or your father?
Lord, Master, when I want father, him prepare the beatings and he put on fire. Now use strap, you know. You know when he use one something near subtle jack.
Lord have mercy.
This subtle jack, our kind of whisk we grow up in a high bush like. And when you see it in our brook, you know, you can tie like a yard tie when he come up. And I hit he used to have prepare put on. He have them in a different size, you know. He has size where if a man attack him, he can defend himself with his subtle jack. And he have one beaten one with he lash through his skin. Besides him feel licking his skin when he won't go. And then that type of man he was. And my mother was a very strict and cross person, just like my grandmother. But she will treat you. But you see, with father, like he say, you do something and he won't beat you. Remember me a month and they go in here now, you know. And stop till when next month come. You beat no pass, you know.
You remember?
You get it. I saw him in the town.
And low you.
Right. And he have a little signal for put on. Whether big somebody are you, the pitney or so on, you are him into any discussion or anything whether cause any difference or any little back vexation. And he ain't cleaning throat a couple times. Watch it. You watch it, you know, go answer, you know. Once he cleaning throat, no man. I'll live boy and not disobey. now here, and you hear him cleaning throat there. If I have motor road there, so, and you do anything where you know no pleasing, you better tap it before him catch nearer. Once you hear him clean the throat, you know, that there was his action. So he wasn't a easy man, master. All we go up here, girl and boy. All when my sister, them a big woman, and they say, we don't want to go one party like all this and things. And him say, you're not going nowhere out of this home. Me as well, you go along to bed, you know. Go along to bed, man. So we grew up there, kind of way there, and must tell you the truth. The neighbor that we did live against, come up and come patronize them and make them even worthwhile couple of them. Me I tell you the God in heaven truth. For we did grow up strict and manners, you know, man. When you go to school and go to church, go here and see only strengthen it and increase it. That's how we did grow up. Until this day, me holy and no let it go. Respect when me fish show to you, I give you, you know, lose me, I give you. Right. See her sit down there, you can ask her.
My mom, stepmother, it's her brother.
Right.
But the stepmom raised my mom because her the stepmother married to my father. So she went to live with them, and she which is Aunt Ivy, that's his sister, raised my mom. So they migrated. Aunt Ivy migrated and asked my mom, which is Patsy, to look after Dada.
Right.
Yes. So she has been looking after him from maybe from I was like have sense like 4 coming up. Yeah. And then, no, but my eldest brother is 52, so George was born into his hand as well. So it's, and all of our kids passed through my son, everybody passed through him, but we are not blood related.
So he doesn't have grandchildren, so you guys
Yeah,
would be like his
yes,
grandchildren.
yes.
So how does it feel to be around such a life force?
All right, trust me, it is such a blessing because he's so grateful. Every single thing, grateful, encouraging. When I want to vent or anything like that, I can always come to him, I cry to him, talk to him, vent, and he's so encouraging and he's so grateful. So it's such a fulfilling journey. Because I remember when my mom passed, October coming will be 6 years. And when my mom passed, like her church sisters and, you know, people around said, oh, you'd have to take him to a home now. And I said, no, over my dead body. You know, Brett must leave my body for him to go to a home. And, you know, it's a blessing because he doesn't give any trouble. He still bathes himself. He still put on his clothes. He's not bedridden. So he doesn't give any trouble. So it's not really, you know, hard to really look after him. So, you know, I took the baton from my mom. And I'm sure she's so proud today.
How long do you know him? How long have you
From
known
me born, man. Yes, man. Believe me, so God, man. Me know some man have no go salary, man. Every day, some more of a buying clean I give me. I can't read it, and you know eyeglasses, uncle. I will answer to me. I said to Miss Alma the other day.
So what your name?
Mr. Powell, man.
Mr. Powell. You look like your ones and twos though.
Always. Always.
Well, how do you used to get from one place to the next? I grew up in Adalistan.
Mostly walking.
Eh?
Walking, man. Mostly walking. We have very little transport. So mostly walking.
Holy strong.
Yeah, man. All going, coming out of the square, out of the Dalistan square. We have to walk it. Or if we have donkey or mule ride it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man, it was very difficult. to travel around. Then sometimes you see, you have go along, if you have been on the road, I dry have blood off of you, stone jam you, buck up back, cut you, for you know. If you move up and down barefoot unless you have an lips or slippers.
So you used to go to school without shoes?
Well, then I it have to do. Yeah.
I want to get water on there something there.
From pan. Like one pan did so where they make. We dig out with just earth, you know. No mason work and surround it like one tank, so just earth. And it didn't catch water. And then call it pan. But a wide enough something can enough water delay in it, you know. And when you hear rain time and it full up, all surrounding, you can get water plenty for use.
So you're doing all the bullfrog them and sitting in it?
How you not have to use them, man? You have to use them. I in the bullfrog live, Lord. Sometimes you go catch one full one something with water, and bullfrog begin grungle in there. You have to run and catch the water again. Yeah, man. You pick the right thing. When somebody pan there, where they have one up one pan, one little rising near to free home there. We call it up a pan. So some bush like used to grow pan the other way there. And when you go there up at that the pan them also, one bullfrog jump out of the bush in the water there. You don't know, but I catch no water, you go home back.
And you still have to drink your water?
So where's you go do? Where's you go do? You have to drink it, man.
And how far the pan from your yard?
Far, some good chains.
And you have to carry water from your head?
You have to carry water upon your head. And some of these things, they carry the water and a leak. Sometimes, because you have reach where a house with the water, a very little left in there. And them the life that we pass through, you know.
Yeah.
Cursing pan and zinc pan and say where we carry water, you know. But when the real drought like what I go on now, all miles, you have to carry water upon your head, all from Hopewell to in Hopewell.
Hopewell Hanover?
No, man, Hopewell in Darliston.
Oh, okay.
Before we reach all of the way home. Yeah, man, distant. Sometimes you have to rest, stop and rest. We reach home in a dry weather. We used to have it hard, man. But if you have your donkey and your mule now, you know, it's easier. For you have pad them up and put curse in pan. And you can carry up to 4 tin of water, you know?
Right.
2 pan one side, 2 pan the other side. So who had the animal have it very easy.
But your father did have donkey?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
My man did have cow, donkey, breeding mare, and so on. Yeah, man.
So, okay. Tell me some of the things that you did not like. Yard work, housework, something your parents tell you to do, something you never did like when you were a boy. Where you always frowns up your face.
You see him. You see like kitchen work and so on. Yeah, I always never like hear about it.
Like wash up the plate and
I never like hear about it yet. It's one of the chief things. We go distant miles, go look the wood. For remember a wood fire, everybody I use. But if you tell me if you wash one glass, one spoon in the kitchen, then I make up face.
You get beat for that?
Eh?
You get licked for that?
You're better than me. You think them the parents easy, man. And you have to wash it. You know? Like this is study there, you then say you have to do few portion, you know. Find those things when I'm one pick in our house, you know. he go by spell. Me do like for tea time, you do like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But dirty since must have to wash up. Must have to wash up.
So even though you go look the wood and come home and chop it up, you end up still have to go wash plate?
Still have to wash it since a few time. Those are the restrictions. And that's how all children grow up in them days. Some parents different from some, you know, but me know say for me them very strict.
Right. When me a boy, there was a thing called Kaya mattress. You did know that something there? Or what kind of bed you used to have when you were a boy?
Most of the one we are talking.
The same Kaya? You coconut sitting in it?
Yeah, man. I it we used to. We never used to then I will find one like what soft like cotton with and make them apart.
Yeah.
We never know them.
Right.
Pitney and big somebody have to depend the that they kind of thing there. But mat always spread upon the board itself, the lard.
Yeah.
You know? The lard part there. One mat always spread upon the first, then the bread go upon that.
Talk me about a story. Something will happen to you in your life. Maybe when you're young, maybe when you're not so young, that you will always remember and will always talk about forever.
The licking out of my hip. And you know how my hip get to lick out? My father, how me tell you, so cultivate hard. Sometimes he have all 6, 8, 9, 10 man. Come give him a hand. And not charge, you know.
Yeah.
Then this go eat and drink and rum and make nice and chop down place and fuck up place. And them the time them young, about 11, 12 so. About 10 years if he catch that so. But when he come any of those work, him always love for the day, you know. My mom and father very move good. But him a man riding horse all the while. But he not go nowhere without him ride. Then them the place say, you know, a little track and you must know say well if time dry, he bad for travel. If rain come, he was have to travel. Fall and dryness come turn mud like cancer, you know. And hard to travel through. So, him a man always a ride on a trotting horse. And he have one hoe under his arm. And the hoe stick set to me leg part so, you know, me hip. And him, the horse, every move the horse stand, the hoe stick a lick the hip, you know. So tell that bone you lick way.
And why you never say something to him?
Man, me say, you could know say when we reach home now, come off of the horse. We can't come off and do this fall down against the horse. When he come down off of the horse and look, the bone here so, you know the hip bone here so, cock out. And I found it so. But me was taking it too simple. But being as a little boy, you know, and anxious to have the ride. I don't want to lose no ride, so I don't say nothing to him. But every step, the hard step, and you know, and the roughness we walk, the horse stick and knock the hip, yeah, so. For my body flesh is so young and tender. Until the bone is so cock out like. Couldn't turn.
That must be painful.
Yeah, man, the left foot. I couldn't turn up, I couldn't move. And now when me turn big hard as somebody up in a big young man come up, me could have walk good. For me did have to walk on, you know, walk and drop, me couldn't walk on that side.
So that means that you never really work as a big man then?
No, not so hard. No, man. Like we work for anybody and so on.
Yeah.
No, man, me no need to. And me plant me something them And when we can get a couple dollars from it, when you can't get it, you still live, you know?
Right.
While you live with parents still, not by myself.
Okay.
Yeah?
Anything where you regret in your life?
Been too kind,
Oh.
been too kind. Until this day, man, it is a figure against me. Hear me, I tell you. I know nothing bad, you know. I know nothing bad, but it affect me. For you remember that I could tell story me I tell you about the man I said about with him.
Money.
The money in my hand. Me hungry some kind of money. Me hungry some kind of money. That's surprised to know. And that's not true when we were young. Since me old, you know. But you see I learn race and something. I used to love race. I learned it how I grew up in the animal. And I used to go race.
Like horse race?
Right. Half of me like this, that I may have some friend. I want policeman, or cop or little. Two, about couple of weeks. But we always go race. Like Saturday day, or holiday. And then I go Black River, race truck.
But I think you're a big man.
Yeah, man, old big man, in a old age, you know. Man, no boy business, no young man. I know me sickly old days, I know me tappy. But me have enough experience about that, man. And sometimes the whole of we come home happy and merry. Sometimes the whole of we get win money. Yeah, man. But me I give away, man. Me always love to give away. And you can come ask me a favor and me say no. The word no can come in my mouth. Me have to say yes. Yeah, man, I wear me nature that and me grow up with that. And through that me help enough people, enough, man. For me always have something and me can't keep it for myself alone. You have to share it. Yeah, man. So me regret that very much.
But you regret it in a one bad way or not really say such a bad way?
No, me regret it make me empty-handed now, with nothing. You understand?
But I mean, would you safely say you're with nothing if you're 103-year-old?
Yeah, at the present time, you know.
Right.
No, man. But me that still like, you come on here now and you still like me I drink this thing, you know.
Right.
Me that way like say, all right, me get one for drink me and buy one give me friend.
Right.
And then temperament that me have.
Okay.
Until this very moment me sitting here. That's how me stay. Those are the things me sorry for. Oh, but not so well, me sorry because me do it. But only a few members hit, you know.
Right.
Whole heap of them when me, you have to call it assist and help. Me shouldn't mind do it. Me should have said no to them. And me not say no. And it just carry me away.
Right.
For some my father did stay and some my mother. Then share. Then nothing and you go across them and then you know if you give you something, you don't have to beg them.
Okay.
You don't have to beg them. And then me just grew up and had the temperament. The homie was kind of the last set of children that grew up in their hand. It make it worse yet.
And when the Queen come to Jamaica, what you did there?
Well, me did a Savlamaya.
Oh, you did yourself?
Yeah. And then the other listen at the time and the Savlamaya.
So you're a big boy at the time?
Yeah, man them the
Yeah,
time.
man, them the time.
Yeah, man.
How was that experience?
Quite wonderful. Then the street, you see the Great Dark Street, it did rope off to left and right. Then just in the middle. You know?
Yeah.
Then they may put something there in the carpet away in him. If you walk by.
And,
And then she have on her gloves. 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 And then she So if you even go touch her, you know, touch him body.
So just in hand you touch.
You know, only hand.
And you did get to see her?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And he may have on one hat. One kind of hat where her rim round where cover her over. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But so life changed, man. Life changed. And even the Saints of Lamaya. When me come here first, man, the place was so nice. Me say you could have out on the road any time at night, all you have to fear for a dog. But now, how me here say it a go along, man. Man, I come in and I rob you in a broad day, in a crowd.
You grew up in a time when people did believe in certain things.
Yes, and a
People believe in a dopey and
A dopey, sure.
Tell me a dopey story you remember when you were a boy.
My father used to tell me about dopey. For you see like him, I happen to Gardalistan or anywhere like that. For him, man always love go paying taxes, you know? And when him out paying taxes, him now wait till like say well daylight 9 o'clock. Him a left yard 9 o'clock. When 9 o'clock come, I must come home. He come home back already. That's when he used to act, you know. So he may go somebody another way may know, but I've been some funeral business. And he never ever come home that night in particular. Rain or something did come. So the place where I left from is a good distance to come back halfway home. So that name night, you know. And down in the night was almost all 1 o'clock or 10 o'clock or later than that. He might come home. And there was a man, he said, with a saw. For the first time I used to have saw where cut board, you know. You know if you ever hear about it, but a board hit cut. One man turn up on the board, on top, and one down the bottom. One are send down the saw, one are dry until the whole split of board cut. Then take it off of the saw pit. And he see this man, I travel before him, and him a hurry now to go catch this man with his saw. But him feels say now a man a cut wood. And the more him a travel to catch the man, the faster the man a go. Until he see the man just jump over one wall. And he don't see nothing more about the man again. I the dopey man that, you know. I the dopey man that where him see.
So you ever seen none?
No, sir. No, I even see none, me no know sir dopey. I never feared around dopey. But me never like dog. Me not afraid for them. For me always have stick in my hand for lick dog. But me, dog are the most thing me fear for. But if it's afraid for go nowhere, but me fear them. Me nah mingle with, no joke with no dog. Me no like see them a look for me. No, sir. One day, I can't forget one time when we were younger, when we got my grandmother, and she may have plenty pimento, you know. So you hear pimento, a fit and so on. And me love climb. I always love to go where she there to go pick pimento. And for my mother now, when my grandmother now, uncle yard one day. And I have one dog and the dog lay down under the chair there, under this set out chair, I don't know how. And the damn dog, as me put my foot up in the house, so he crawl out and bite me right for me. When I see an evil foot here, you know. You have to call it evil foot. That make it worse, I couldn't lick him nor nothing. So from that, then when me I look on the dog, so the dog just kin out all of the teeth them for me. make you was afraid. So a dog is a thing, me no joke with. So you hear some people are make fun with dog. If dog decide against you the right way, then overcome you, you know.
You ever get beaten from a big man out of street because you probably never tell him howdy or whatever, and then he still go home and tell your father and your father beat you again?
My father go tell my father. He go tell my father I may get beaten, but him never really beat me.
Oh, you just tell your father?
Yeah, I found that day until now. We never had nothing more with that man. You see, like me dog go to the gate, so. And I see that the man down there, so I come. You know, and get me go to the gate there again, telling you either pass or turn back. How me then get here to the man. And that day until this day now as you bring up it. And them the days they can't hardly count all the enough. Me no speak to that the man they no more again.
You used to get in a fight when you were little?
Yeah?
You used to get in a fight?
Fight?
Fight other boy and sitting?
But me always try to keep it down. Because I don't like it. I don't like fight. I always try to make it broke up. And most of the fight always happen playing cushion.
That's about marble and cashew?
Marble and cashew. It's the most fight me ever in the younger days. Me no like them they fight. Sure that me can't play cushion much, you know. Me brother play gig and the gig just as bad for some boy. You can't make your gig touch them, you know.
Touch them or touch for them gig?
No. Especially when you can't sleep, the worst. And some again, just take it as a joke. Or if you can't sleep and feel. But the quickest fight and the quickest are cushion over marble and cashew. And that used to a boys duty them the few days. Once a cushion, man. Sunday or no Sunday. Once you see one little cushion game are gone, you're gone in a hit. Oh boy. But fight always there, not there. Man, especially when one in a bad luck and him have plenty. For you some boy have enough cash upon them, you know. Some lucky if you can win put up away in a bargain. You might have one half dozen. And he a dozen and him a win if you put half for him. And you can't win none out of him. Most of the time I hit cars fight. But it was nice, man. After you had a little rappling and put it together, nice. You go back together, same way, nice, same way.
Right.
Yeah, man. No enemy ship, same way. You have anything you share, same way.
Right.
Yeah, man. Even the same him, lucky winner. He might give you 2 for go roast, 2 or go play one other game when he done. You get back together right away.
Tell me something like a memory that you remember that's a very good memory where you always treasure.
Well, the last good thing that me remember, you see the hurricane we talk about, no say me alone, you know, but me this a word speaking. Me as the first somebody could have dead. You see like how you sit down there, so? There was a sheet of zinc come from over the church, over the Baptist church, and come cross over the arcade and fi come over freeway, fi come up. And the thing comes so near to me like say, you see like when you come straight or something, yeah, a while ago. I said this something passed me here side here, so. I saw it pass here, you know. You just hear whoop.
Wow.
Me couldn't be here now. I don't know what kind of way I could be here now. Could never. After I pass and gone, I discover a hit. And I don't certain if I hit, but me believe I zinc. After I calm down and ease down, you know them bell where you have a
The church bell.
church bell. The one over that the church they been blow, right? And quite up at the Marys, them a wholesale place, they come find me on the shop top. So all it pass against over for me direction. For right, there's a trouble, you know. But I don't know, I can't say hit up to know, you know. All for me feeling says zinc.
So, Mr. Williams,
Yes, sir.
what kind of advice you have for these younger youths when they come up nowadays and just a start life?
Boy, see her sit down there. And she don't have to guess or miss. See her sit down side of you. She can answer you that little secret. Oh, make me wish them well, especially to keep well, you know, to keep well in health. And always have a certain amount of confidence in God. Health, giving. Just keep asking Him for health, and you'll get all what you need to get. And you will have all what you want to have. And you will live as long as me live or more. For me can still live more, as well as me now have more than a second left. You see what I mean? So, me give them the good advice on how to live in this world here. And you will get through.
What do you think are the secret to living as long as you?
Man, you used to run, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You used to run for your goat and so. All of a sudden, one morning you run go this and you come back in, you feel like you wouldn't do it the next morning or the next. And you feel say you're going to stop it off. But you continue to resist it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you used to it. Until it overdevelop on you and hurt you. But if you did stop it from that the morning, now go back, go run. You see me sit down here? We used to smoke one like the other. And for me about 15-year-old, about 18, not about 15, or 18. Cigarette now go back off my mouth again until this day at the 100 and how much. You know, for me about 18. Me must be in the age. I'm not younger, but I will older. But me I put it about for 18. And me are 103 now today, hours here. And a cigarette don't go back off in my mouth. For me used to smoke one cigarette, blend that and it had near forest. And one morning, me I light the cigarette and my mind just tell me, say, but I no cigarette no, man. And me force it. And you know the one cigarette last me about 4 times before he light.
Drop out your hand.
Until he drop out of me hand. No, you know, so I drop out of me. And you see when he drop out of me hand, me will sell you it, me will hungry it, me will give you, me will do anything to it for you, but no more no go back off of my mouth until this moment. So it depends on how you can resist things. And if you keep up to these things, you take a couple drinks, and if you say more than 3, no agree with you. Don't go 4. Don't go 4. But if you force, if you go 4, it will take effect on you, for you go over your limit. And that's all it takes. All it takes. And yet you all drink rum every day, same way. And you all smoke every day, same way. But you don't go back on it.
What you eat? What you eat now?
Well, through the teeth them, we can eat corn and cane, and them was me 2 lover. Corn and cane was me 2 lover. For me, you know me had teeth growing on my mouth. Me begin to eat corn and cane. For me, I love them, they do something bad. Me I go to bed, me I wake with them, me I corn and cane, how me did like it. And now, you can't only call the name now.
But what else you eat? You eat meat?
Just pork meat me like.
Or you like pork?
Then chicken and this and you see people are, well you see fish too. Fish did poison me once. And that I find a young days too. That's a little out of me go past. I tell you me pass through plenty experience. Remember that did buy fish. Cook fish that day evening. And the fish where me get did poison me. And that is all years now me not eat fish again.
Oh, so you eat pork and what else? You eat vegetable?
Yeah man, me like vegetable and pork.
So basically that's it?
Yeah man. And we eat me like mutton.
Oh, you like mutton? But you don't eat it every day?
No sir.
So what you eat most? Most days what you eat?
Me like breadfruit.
What you eat bread?
Me like the
Roast or cook?
roast or cook.
Or
But
fry?
enough it too full. Enough if it too full when it roast, when it
Oh,
cook.
you know, like a half ripe one?
No sir. I'm not like it when it too full for cook.
Okay.
But breadfruit man, me like breadfruit.
I want good man now go.
Right.
May God bless him. Go man look fresh. 103 years old.
Long more. So me say him, you believe me we make the balance. If we bring you up to the square half. The man never do not more say, go on that scale there. And me come around the scale. Long more tell me say, you see the 100 there. You're surprised you know you might double hit. For you're certain for pass it. And see come to pass. If me see me and know me that tell him say me interpret right.
Yes.
Fancy me pass it.
Mr. Williams, may God bless you man.
Yeah
You
man.
know, the know. Maybe a little bit twisted.
I say we Baba man, I say me a out one of that. Me say no.
That's the man who comes from.
Me say no man, when me are do you so long for what reason?
What reason?
How you feel in your soul? If God call you, how you feel?
Oh, ready to go man.
Pretty long guy.
Ready to
Feel
go.
like you're at peace and...
No man, me feel say me was there already.
Right.
But me only got join who me have like father and mother now. And sister there is there already. That's all for me feeling is. I wonder if me go able to join them. That me even mentioned the last one, yeah. We're gone for me put she in it, you know. A Patsy.
Uncle, Mr. Williams,
Yeah.
any last words where you're happy with?
Right. And enough me that, but I have to consider the shortest
Give me the shortest
and the one that I look more taste.
Alright, do that one day.
Yeah. But I never expect this. So, where are you going to place me now? To the explorer of the world or
To the
to...
world, the whole world.
Okay.
The whole world.
Who that abroad and know me. Some we only remember the name. Some we know me in person. I'm so proud, man. But one thing me have my personal self would have been like to look for myself. But me not go see that, for me can't see it.
So, Mr. Williams,
Yeah.
thank you very much for your time.
Yes, sir, me too.
And thanks for your story, them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Me and you discuss just like say we were used to one another long
Long
before.
time I know you. How
Yeah.
there are reasons.
Yes. We grew up in our, but me I give you the instant already, you
Yeah, where
know.
your father?
We did have one father, the man.
Yeah, run you up.
No run joke, one thing clean in short, watch yourself. And I grew up under them, the principle, and we can't forget it. And it don't do me no hurt.
Right.
It do me more good than hurt, for me can't tell somebody it. So how you can endure certain things, and how you can fight against certain things. Through it.
What?
Yeah, man.
Growing up, a big man could have talked to you. And you have respect and you listen to him and you hear him and say, why is it these big men nowadays can't talk to the little boy?
I don't know. From the little one, them a come up there and believe say they know everything. And they can master everything and they knows nothing. And they can master nothing. Only a few.
Alright, so that was Dada
Yeah, man.
So, what is it? Give me all I know what they call you again. Dada.
Yes.
What else?
Uncle Mackie.
Uncle Mackie. What else?
Macford.
Macford.
Mackie.
Mackie.
Yes. Uncle Mac.
So what did your dada come from?
The young ones them a give me hit.
Oh.
She and her son and all of them.
George, because George was the first one, my big brother who is overseas. So George, as I said, they were born into his hand. So then he initially wasn't a lover of kids really. So you know, as a baby George growing up, well, that's what my mom told me. George, you know, would go to him and hold on him and say, Dada.
Yes.
Dada. You know?
And it was the first word
From him.
From
Yes, so that's how.
and he just step off. He just step off after that.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the word he used, and he just step off. So from that he begin walk on until he grow up and me tell he get it.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, Mr. Williams.
Yeah.
We hope when your next birthday we can come back.
Yeah.
And
So you still can enjoy it
Yes,
again.
I'm gonna come sit down with you again, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
And it works now, we don't make a thing trouble me. We don't make a thing trouble. We only want to can move.
Yeah.
But you don't know, all she and all she have to work hard and so on. It's like if me want something that so me can stretch and take him and call her to take you up. Then thing down the hit no more, but once me can move to take you up. Me that love he can do it all the while. Yeah, man.
So
Love.
until we meet again, people,
Yes.
Jamaica Uncut.
Yes,
Cut
sir.
out.
All right.
May the good Lord continue to guide and keep you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Until such time.
Yeah, man.
All right.
We're spiritual, man. We're spiritual.
Yes,